Hey y'all, it's the Country Notary. Hope you're having a great day. As always, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Emphasis on subscribe. This is where I started this home renovation project series, this particular angle, looking at my kitchen. Please go back and scroll and look at the first video that I did on this series and compare it to what you're looking at now. I shot this video again on Saturday, a few days ago, and I mentioned that we're about 90% finished. Well, sadly, we're still stuck at 90-ish. My contractor texted me earlier today and told me that he was sick. He wasn't, feeling well. He has something going on with him right now, and sadly is unable to work for a few days. So we're still on stuck mode. But I wanted to give you guys an update from Saturday. Was really busy when the contractors finished and didn't get to shoot a different video, an updated video on the countertops, granite countertops. Absolutely gorgeous. I went to Houston and I actually started this journey, countertop journey first. This was actually the very first step I took in my renovation journey. Notice I don't have a actual plumbed sink. It's still not connected. So I'm having to be creative on my cooking right now, but it's working out. Actually, I have fajitas planned for dinner. I have them already seasoned and I'm about to start cooking those. I actually have countertops now I can actually cook on top of with the electric appliances there. So I started this granite journey, this countertop journey early this year, mid-February maybe, and looked at several different types of countertops. I thought I, was looking at certain color and textures, and I wound up with the granite because based on the age of the house, the size of my countertops, and my budget, granite was the best fit. Quartz obviously is a really popular product, quartzite and porcelain, but they're very expensive. And based on the installation labor, it would have been way out of my budget. So as you can see, the kitchen is a lot brighter. I have lighter color paint on the uppers, a little darker paint on the lowers, intentionally. And the countertops actually makes the contrast stand out even more. I won't have backsplash for a while. The tile that I ordered is on back order. I guess that's appropriate for backsplash, back order. However, it is what it is. Once I get the stove installed as well as my plumbing connected, I'll be able to start cooking and using my kitchen with or without finished cabinets. And I also have put in place my farm style kitchen faucet. Quite beautiful. I window shopped quite a bit before I made my decision on that. Still have some work to do, trimming those blinds, leveling the refrigerator. Still have to install our vent hood. However, again, progress. I'll take it for what it is. I also went yesterday and took a look at some hardware that I'm planning on using for my drawer pulls, as well as cabinet pulls. This particular knob matches my design on the vent hood. That's part of the sleeve for the vent hood. Really can't see the design that well. I haven't opened them because I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna go with them, but like I said, I'm a window shopper, so it takes me a while to make my mind up. Otherwise, guys, thanks for following this journey. This kitchen will be great at some point real soon. I'm very proud of the work. Obviously can't wait to get all the construction materials up and cleaned out. However, we're getting to the point where it's close enough now where I'm starting to see the end of the road and the result of my planning. It's been a long process. Appreciate you watching. Please share with any other subscribers that you might think are interested. Ask them to subscribe to my channel. Hopefully my next rehab project is on an investment property and I won't be as personally attached. It's the Country Notary. Talk to y'all soon.